Good morning friends, today is 11th of May 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 11th of May 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which of the following organizations has launched a campaign called Dada Dadi and Nana Nani Abhiyan? Answer is Niti Aayog. Recently, Niti Aayog has launched a campaign called Dada Dadi and Nana Nani Abhiyan. Next question was, which state has suspended all major laws till 1000 days to attract investment? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government has suspended all its major laws in Uttar Pradesh to attract investment and help both existing and new industrial units. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Third question was, Telangana has imposed how much fine for not wearing mask in public places? Answer is 1000 rupees. Recently, Telangana government has issued an order imposing a fine worth rupees 1000 for not wearing mask in public places. This order has been passed to prevent transmission of COVID-19. Next question was, which Indian state has launched Ayush Kavach COVID app? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Fifth question was, mobile application CMAPP, that is Comprehensive Monitoring of Agriculture Price and Procurement to monitor farmers' need, has been launched by which state? It has been launched by Andhra Pradesh government. Next question, name the program launched by Himachal Pradesh government to educate family members of migrant returnees. Answer is Nigah. Next, tennis player Isuk Hosam has been banned from the sports for lifetime by Tennis Integrity Unit, that is TIU recently. He is associated with which country? He is associated with Egypt. Which of the following ministries has recently launched the government authorization relief using drone, that is Garud portal? Answer is Ministry of Civil Aviation. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Athletics Day? Answer is 7th of May. 7th is celebrated as World Athletics Day. What is the name of Iran's new currency? Iran's new currency is Toman. Earlier it was Rial. 11th question was, who has become the new Prime Minister of Iraq recently in May 2020? Mustafa Al-Kadhimi has become the new Prime Minister of Iraq recently. And the last question was, who among the following has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of United Nations Environment Program, that is UNEP recently? Answer is Dia Mirza. Dia Mirza has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of UNEP. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Migratory Bird Day? Answer is option number 3, 9th May. 9th May is celebrated as World Migratory Bird Day. Recently, 9th May has been celebrated as World Migratory Bird Day. This day is globally observed on the second Saturday of May every year. It is celebrated to bring attention to the threats faced by the migratory birds, their ecological importance. It is also aims to raise awareness about the increasing need for international cooperation to conserve them. And theme of 2020's World Migratory Bird Day was Birds Connect Our World. Birds Connect Our World was the theme of 2020's World Migratory Day. Next question, who is the author of the book Numbers Do Lie, 61 Hidden Cricket Stories? Answer is option number 4, Akash Chopra. This is Akash Chopra, and the book Number Do Lie, 61 Hidden Cricket Stories has been written by Akash Chopra. Answer will be option number 4. Next, according to the recent report published by International Energy Agency, that is IEA, what is the decline in car sales in India? Answer is option number 4, 50%. Recently, International Energy Agency, that is IEA, has released a report called Global Energy Review 2020, and in this report it is mentioned that a 50% decline in the car sales has been occurred in India due to lockdown. Answer is option number 4. Next, which state has recently launched a app Pravasi Rahat Mitra for migratory workers? Answer is option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government has launched a app called Pravasi Rahat app for migrant workers of state who are returning from different parts of the country amid lockdown. This multi-purpose app is aimed at providing benefits of government scheme to the migrant workers. It has been developed by the State Revenue Department in collaboration with UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program. Answer will be option number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, this is Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandibén Patel and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Next question. What will be India's GDP growth rate for the current fiscal year according to Moody's? Answer is option number 1, 0%. Moody's is a global rating agency and it has slashed India's GDP growth rate at 0 for the current fiscal year, that is for 2020-21. Earlier it was estimated as 2.6%. Now it is estimated as 0%. Second option is 0.8%. It has been estimated by Fitch Rating. Third option is 1.9%. It has been estimated by IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. And fourth option is 1.5 to 2.8%. It has been estimated by World Bank. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Thalassemia Day? Answer is option number 2, 8th May. Recently, May 8th has been celebrated as World Thalassemia Day. Thalassemia is a chronic and genetic birth disorder due to which a patient's body cannot make enough hemoglobin, which leads to anemia. Answer is option number 2, 8th May. And theme of 2020's World Thalassemia Day is the dawning of a new era of thalassemia, time for a global efforts to make novel therapies accessible and affordable to patients. Answer is option number 2. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Red Cross Day? Recently, 8th May has been celebrated as World Red Cross Day. Next question is, which state government has banned 11 brands of pan masala for 1 year due to presence of magnesium carbonate in it? Answer is option number 1, Jharkhand. Recently, Jharkhand government has banned 11 brands of pan masala for 1 year in the state due to presence of chemical, that is magnesium carbonate in it, which is harmful to the heart and can occur various diseases. Answer is option number 1, Jharkhand. Jharkhand, this is Jharkhand. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Governor is Draupadi Murmu and Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren. Next, which of the following banks has recently approved a loan of $500 million to support India's COVID-19 fight? Answer is option number 4, AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. And recently, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has approved a loan of $500 million to India to support its fight against COVID-19. Answer will be option number 4. What is AIIB? It is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. It is a multilateral development bank. It was formed on 16th of January 2016. Its headquarters is in Beijing, which is in China, and president of AIIB is Jean Licker. Next, which state government has recently developed Sanjeevani vehicle? Answer is option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has developed a unique vehicle called Sanjeevani vehicle, and with the help of this vehicle, health workers can investigate any suspected patient without coming in contact of that patient. This vehicle has been named Sanjeevani. Answer will be option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, this is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. Governor is Lalji Tandon and Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Labour Day? Answer is 1st May. Every year, 1st May is celebrated as International Labour Day. Now, today's question. Question is, which state has imposed a COVID-19 cess on diesel and petrol recently? Options are Madhya Pradesh, Nagaland, Maharashtra and Meghalaya. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.